Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel Saba's Kitchen Diaries. Today I am making prawns jalfarezi, which contain lots of prawns and spices with lots of capsicum. It's one of the most tasty recipes. Do try it and the flavors are going to blow up your mind. If you're liking my content so far, subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on so you are always notified on time. Let's begin with our recipe now. Now our prawns jalfarezi is ready, guys, so do try this at home and tell me in the comment section below what do you think about this recipe, and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.